Peddinghaus machines are the world leaders in structural steel fabrication technology. Steel fabricators that own Peddinghaus machines uphold an advantage in the steel industry and have the ability to optimize tonnage capacity. The Peddi XDM-630 drill saw combination machine is crafted to give small to large fabrication shops more capabilities than ever before. From its modular design to its superior functionality, this system maintains the ability to increase quality, quantity, and throughput. Peddinghaus has successfully fused drilling, sawing, and coping into a single machine with the Peddi XDM-630. Serving as a multifaceted fabrication center, the Peddi XDM-630 can process parts with a minimum remnant length of 13 inches, allowing for the least amount of scrap upon completion of the part. A modern machine guarding protects the operator throughout profile processing and allows for optimal visibility while the machine is in operation. This enables the operator to manage the process at the control, while the Peddi XDM-630 does the heavy lifting. The crux of the Peddi XDM-630 is in its functionality, beginning with Raptor Software 3D CAD/CAM integration. Part data is imported to the Peddi XDM-630. Accurate laser measurements then define the leading edge of the material, and the profile is secured with the most rigid clamping system available. Minimal vibrations during processing increases accuracy, tool life, and eliminates rework when the part is completed. Outfitted with 3 spindles, each equipped with 5 station tool changers, the Peddi XDM-630 offers fabricators flexibility and high-speed processing. This true processing center can drill holes up to 1 9/16 inches on every surface of the profile. 4-axis scribing places piece marks and weld locations on each surface of the material, plus countersink and tap. Slot and coat milling has been refined to produce a machined finish that eliminates the grinding stages for finished parts. The Peddinghaus patented roller feed measurement system maintains accurate measurements during processing of the material. Positioned out of the material's path, profiles of all shapes and sizes are processed without any stop in production. Once the material is processed, it can be positioned on the remnant conveyor for miter sawing. The miter saw travels on a robust frame to and from the drill line, giving it the capability to miter up to 60 degrees. Once the part is finished, the conveyor drops down and removes the remnant. Scrap aside, the material is re-engaged by the conveyor and is transferred to the next phase in the project. The Peddi XDM-630 is a multifaceted production workhorse that provides truly finished parts for fabrication.
What made the machine stand out to me is its ability to mill. That saves us a tremendous amount of time and does a more excellent job. This allows you to bring it right down like it's machine, and it saves us at least 20 minutes per coat. So if that's top and bottom at both ends, then of course that's 80 minutes of savings immediately, times over how many beams you get, and still doing a better job.
The 25 horsepower spindle motors maneuver around the material with precision, accuracy, and process with ease. Finished parts are readily available for fit-up and require no further processing. With the maximum part width set at 24.5 inches, pairing the Peddi XDM-630 drill saw system next to a Peddinghaus BDL-1250 drill line guarantees a complete range of material processing for any size fabricator. The success of the steel industry is Peddinghaus's top priority. That is why our service and support is unmatched. Request a demo, quote, visit, or call to learn more about the toughest steel fabrication machinery in the world. This is Peddinghaus. We are stronger than steel.